Guys, look at this. This is called a checkbox for XUV 500. Especially made for the boot space of XUV 500. Because as far as my knowledge is concerned, none of the XUVs have this checkbox. This is especially custom made with a lot of effort, a lot of trial and errors and everything. Just let's have a look at this one. Let us see. Please come. This is the hinges which holds this one. This is the hydraulic stud. When you open this one, and as well as when you open this one, this gets opened, and this has to be opened a little bit more also. We are working on that one. And this is the front cover, and it has got the chain also, and as well as one more sliding draw, on top of which again one more fold is actually we are anticipating. And on top of this there is a drawer where we can keep lot of things. And inside this one we have got inside this we have got lot of again storage spaces where we can store so many things which are not actually used on a day-to-day basis. And to access that one we have this one. If you just close this one, it will be closed. And when you have to open this one, it is very easy. Even if you keep any item which are little bit heavy also, it will easily push it up, because it is around 20 kg studs we are putting actually. In this particular storage box, we can store the things which are not very much oftenly used. Here I made these three boxes particularly to store gas cylinders, a gas cylinder, cooking vessels, and as well as food items. And this one is specially made as a cutting board, and as well as one more fold will come, and where you can also sit like a dining table. And all these things will fit very much properly inside this one, inside the boot space of this one. To accommodate this, we have removed the back seats, which almost occupies this much of space. So it sits down. So only you will be able to see 20 inches of height from actual existing seat height. So this is the version 1.0 you can call. In later stages, we don't know how it's going to be worked out. Let us see.